All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We are running this beautiful MCQ series. We must be having idea about all these MCQs. All right, fine. Now we are going to discuss some of the MCQs on triangles. All right. So, are you ready for this MCQs on triangles, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as you know, the Kalparuksha classes follow step-by-step process. We follow this step-by-step approach to all the topics, and definitely will building all your concepts step by step. All right. So we are running this SSLC MCQs, and that too we are discussing about the chapter called triangles. Right? Are you ready, dear children? If you're ready, say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, dear children. Okay. Deepthi, if you are able to listen to me, say yes, dear children. Deepthi, just say yes if you are able to listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Let us solve these questions. See this first question. What is the first question? Which of the following triangles have the same side lengths? Same side lengths. Equilateral triangle is answer, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a very simple question. Okay. We started with a very simple question. Let's go to second question now. This is the equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Everybody knows isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal. These two sides. Scalar means all sides are different. Right? Okay, fine. So this is known to everyone. Let us move on to second question. Do this. Everybody do this question. Area of an equilateral triangle with the side length A is equal to. With the side length A. Equilateral triangle means you understand, no? What is equilateral triangle? It is A, it is A, it is A. Now they are asking area. Area means we want base into height, no? Let me find out this height. Let me draw this perpendicular. If this is perpendicular, what this length will be? It will be A by 2, no? Yes or no? Yeah. And this one is height. Now in this triangle, ABC is the full triangle. If you take this point D, ABD is right triangle, no? In that by applying Pythagoras theorem, what I can write? I can write A square is equal to A by 2 whole square plus H square, no? By using Pythagoras theorem, A square is equal to A by 2 whole square plus H square. I want H square, so let me find out that. So A square is equal to, it becomes A square by 4 plus H square. Alright, then H square becomes A square minus A square by 4. Okay, so then H square, the value of H square will be, what will be the LCM? 4. Here it is 1 into 4, and here it is 1 into, sorry, 4 into 1. 4A square minus 1A square is 3A square. H square is 3A square by 4. That means H will be under root 3A square by 4. Correct, no? Then the value of H will be root 3. Under root 3 means root 3. Then under root A square is A. And under root 4 is 2. So root 3A by 2 is the height, no? Yes or no? Root 3 by 2 into A is the height. Then you can find out the area. Area is equal to, what is the formula? Half into base into height. Half into, what is the base? Base is like A, right? Complete base it is A. Into what is the height? Root 3 by 2 into A. Correct? So it becomes, what it becomes? Root 3 divided by 4 A square it becomes. Because in the numerator A square, root 3, 2 into 2, 4. So root 3, 4A square. So where it is? Here it is the answer. Everybody got this, dear children? See is the answer for this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah. One mark means these kind of questions will only be there. There won't be any other heavy questions on MCQs. Okay, but still we solve heavy questions also to build your concepts. Let me move to third question. Do this. do this question. Now, what is this? What is that they're saying? They're saying D and E are the midpoints of side AB and AC of triangle ABC. There is one triangle ABC like this. Okay, ABC. It's a triangle ABC like this. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC. AB and AC means AB is here, AC. Which means you understand now, AD divided by DB is equal to AE. No, not midpoint means I'm not saying that. AE equal to EC, right? Midpoint means. Yes, dear children? Yeah. Then after that, what they are saying? BC is equal to 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. All right. If DE is equal to BC, D is parallel to BC. This D is also parallel to this BC. D is parallel to BC. Now what they are asking? They are asking length of D. What is the length of this D? Can anyone tell me directly what is the length of this D? There is one theorem. Direct theorem is there. Because this D and E are the midpoints. Now what is the answer? Anyone? D and E are the midpoints of this DE. How much length will this DE have? Tell me. No one? This DE will have length of 3 centimeter. There is one direct theorem, dear children. For example, any triangle is there. If you are joining midpoints of any two sides means, then whatever length you get, no, so that length is half the opposite length. Here the length is 6 centimeter, no, so if you're joining midpoint of other two sides means it will be half of this, so that is like 3 centimeter. Clear? Is it clear or not? Everybody got it or not? Nobody is responding. Yes. Why? Yeah, so that is a theorem. Otherwise, you can do it by other method also. Is my voice audible clearly to all of you? Nan voice sariyagi kelista idya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So ee theorem anna direct agi midpoint anna join madidre arda barudanta madidre 3 cm anta bandibitide, answer antru bantu. But ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ. DE is parallel to BC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ AD divided by DB equal to A by EC ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ AD ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ AD equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, DB and AE equal to EC ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ, ಇದು AB ದು ಏನಿದೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ AD equal to DB ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಅವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ADE ಮತ್ತೆ ABC ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಯರಂ, ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ABC ಅಂತ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, AB ಇದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ AC ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಎಳೆದ್ರೆ, ಇದು X ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಲೈನ್, ಇದ್ರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, X/2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೀವು. Okay, fine. So 3 is the right option for this. 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So let me move to next question. Let us do this question. Do this question, all of you. Fourth question. The diagonals of a rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Rhombus means you understand, no? This is how rhombus looks like, no? Here is the rhombus. Okay, maybe it is a kite, looking like a kite to you, but still adjust. So this is like one is 16 centimeter, another is 12 centimeter. Correct? Now they're asking side of the rhombus. Side means this one, no? AB or BC or CD, whichever you want. Now if this is like 16 centimeter, total is like 16 centimeter, here is the midpoint, it will be 8 centimeter, no? This side only, I mean, if you
Yes, sir.
Parallelogram, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So perpendicularly bisect each other. Degree. This is like 8, and if it is 12, it will be 6, no? Yes or no? OA is 6 and OB is like 8. then you can find out AB easily. This right angle triangle. Look at this. The shaded right angle triangle. So 8 and 6 is there. This one, AB will be how much is that? AB is equal to Pythagoras theorem. If you use under root 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square is like 64 and 6 square is like 36. So that becomes under root 100. Under root 100 is like 10. So 10 centimeter. Where is 10? Here is a 10. This is the correct option. Is it clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think fourth question is very simple and everybody is able to do that. Let me move to fifth question. Maybe you guys have a little bit of network issue, but that's okay. Please do this. Until and unless if you are able to listen to me, that's more than enough as of now. Do this question. Let me check how many have joined also. Okay, you can have a look at that question. How many have joined? So I need to have a look at that. 9 people have joined. Okay. Pandu Asad, can you hear me, Pandappa? Pandappa, can you hear me? If you are able to hear me, say. Srujan, Nisarga, Raghavendra. If you are able to hear me, say yes. Yes. Okay. Are you able to hear me,
Yes, sir.
Nisarga? Did you understand whatever I have explained, Nisarga?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. Prajwal Melkeri, did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Srujan,
Yes, sir.
Pandu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now let's get on to this question. Do this question. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in ratio 2:3. If the area of small triangle is 48 square centimeter, then the area of large triangle. Direct theorem you can use, no? Area of small triangle is like 48. Let us take area of another triangle is like x. So does it become that is equal to 2/3 whole square? Area of similar triangles properties. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, no? Yeah? Okay. Then it becomes 48 by x is equal to 4/9. Then x you send that side. X is equal to how much it becomes? 48 into 9 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are 12 nines are, it becomes 108, no? There is 108. Here is the 108. So 108 square centimeter. This is the correct option. Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple question. In 1 mark, no, they will roam around all these theorems. Whatever theorems are there, they will roam around that. Okay, let me move on to 6th question. Do this question. This is very simple. Darshan Kumar will tell the answer for this. Darshan Kumar. You have to shout the answer, Darshan. If a perimeter of a triangle is 100 centimeter and length of two sides are 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter, the length of third side will be. Array, what kind of question it is? Very simple, no? 30, 40, 70. Another 30, if I get 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 30 is 100. So 30 is the right answer for this, no? A very silly question it is. It came, what to do? Everybody got it? 6th question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, simple it is. Now let me move on to 7th question. Do this question. Perimeter of a triangle. Which triangle they did not say? Perimeter of triangle ABC it is. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. ABC and DEF are similar. ABC and DEF are similar. Okay. ABC is there. A, B, C and D, E, F. They are similar. Okay. They are saying they are similar. Whenever they say they are similar, What you are supposed to understand? You are supposed to understand AB by DE is equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. That's what you need to understand. Okay. AB is 4 centimeter. Okay. AB is 4. DE is 6. Okay. EF is 9. This is 9. And FD is 12. What is FD? FD is like this one is 12. Now they are asking perimeter of this triangle. Tell me what will be the perimeter of this triangle ABC. How will you do? First of all, can I say 4 by 6 is equal to BC by EF? Definitely. Why not? Because 4 divided by 6 is equal to BC divided by EF. We can say that easily. Okay. Now 4 by 6 is equal to BC. I don't know, but EF I know. What is the value of EF? That is 9. Correct, no? Then afterwards I may get BC here. BC is equal to 4 by 6 into 9. So that is like 3 2s are and 3 3s are. 2 1s are 2 2. Now, how about AC? Similar logic you can use again. So what is it? You can use 4 by 6 or 6 by 9. Both are fine. So 4 by 6 you can use 4 by 6. 4 by 6. This 4 divided by 6 is equal to AC divided by DF. AC divided by DF. Now 4 by 6 is equal to AC by DF means AC I don't know, but DF is like 12. DF is 12. I got that. So AC, calculate AC. So what is the value of this AC? Tell me. AC is equal to, it becomes 4 by 6 into 12, no? AC is equal to 4 by 6 into 12. 6 1s are 6 2s are. That is 4 into 2 is 8. So AC is 8. So 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So this is the answer, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think everybody got it. So such simple questions will be there, dear children. No need to worry at all, especially from triangles. No need to get into too much depth of it. Basic proportionality theorem, Pythagoras theorem, and area of similar triangles. Or maybe AAA, ASA, SAS. A little bit of that. Understood? Is this clear? Seventh one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me move on to next question now. That is the 8th question. Solve this question. The height of an equilateral triangle of side. There is a triangle, equilateral triangle with side 5 centimeter. Here is 5 centimeter. Okay. It is 5, and bottom is also 5. All are 5. Let me name it ABC or PQR. Now height they are asking. Height means you understand, no? This is the height, no? Let me call it as H. And this side, if you call this as D, this will be 5 by 2, no? 5 by 2 means, what is that? 5 by 2 means 2.5. You can use 2.5 here. Instead of this 5 by 2, you can use 2.5. Or if you don't want, you can use 5 by 2 only. That is your wish. Okay. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, what can I write? I will write 5 square is equal to 2.5 square plus h square. No? 5 square is equal to 2.5 square plus h square. Very simple. 5 square is 25. 25 is equal to 25 square means 625. And point is there. That means it becomes 6.25 plus h square. Clear? Then h square is equal to, it becomes 25 minus 6.25. Then h square is equal to, I'm going to get it as, this is like 18.75. That is for sure. Just look at this. I mean, if you take 2 zeros here, no, you know this, no? 10 minus 5, 5, 1 is a carry. 10 minus 3, 7, 1 is the carry. 15 minus 7 is like 8, 1 is the carry. Okay. Yes, good. So h is equal to under root 18.75 means, I mean, if you look at this 4, definitely not, because under root 16 means 4 will come. 5 means under root 25 should come. 3.9 means it is less than this, no? So it is more than 16. That's why it won't come. This will come. No need to calculate this now. No need to calculate. Yeah, this is approximately equal to 4.33. Clear, dear children? Yeah. Thank you. Now let me move on to next question. Ninth question. Do this question. Ninth question. If ABC and DEF are two triangles and AB by DE equal to BC by FD, then two triangles are similar if A equal to F, B equal to D, A equal to D, and B equal to E. All are angles.
A equal to D.
Yeah. So A, yes, maybe ABC is one triangle and DEF, it is one more triangle. What they're saying, AB by DE, this side, AB divided by DE. This ratio is equal to BC divided by FD. Now they want these two triangles to be similar, means I should take this angle, no, B and E. Why? Because it will become S, A, S property. S, A, S. So that's why angle B is equal to angle E. This is the correct option, no? Yes or no? Yeah. I think it is clear, dear children. Okay? Fine. So this is like ninth question. Very simple. Everybody got it? Ninth question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's move to 10th question. Do this. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Area of these triangles is in the ratio. Area of these triangles are in the ratio. Tell me which one is correct. Don't you think this is correct answer? Just think. Area of two similar triangles are in ratio 4:9. That means area of triangle 1 divided by area of triangle 2. What is the ratio? 4:9 they are saying. Sorry, I'm sorry. Area they are not saying. Sides they are saying. Okay, 2:3 I told the wrong answer, I guess. It is not the right one. Sides are there in ratio 4:9. That means there are two similar triangles like this. Now their sides, no, whatever this ABC and PQR are there, no, AB by PQ or
Option
BC
D.
by QR or EC by PR. Yes, option D is correct option. Yes. So that side AB by PQ, any one side is in ratio what? 4:9. Now they're asking area of these triangles. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. If I am writing like this, these two triangles, area of triangle ABC and PQR, can I say that this is equal to AB by PQ whole square? Definitely. Why not? So AB means what is there? 4 and PQ means 9. I'm not saying this is 4 centimeter, okay? It can be 4K and 9K. So like that. Yeah, I'm saying that.
Sir, not understanding, sir.
Not understanding. What's your name? Who is not understanding? Tell your name, no? Who is not understanding? Please tell your name. No, it's not like we are going to. I mean, this is for for the purpose of understanding only. What is your name? Please, can you please tell your name? Are? Who is not understanding? Nisarga, are you not understanding? Nisarga? Darshan Kumar, you are not understanding? Darshan, who talked to me? Please tell, no? Otherwise, disturbing the video will be not that good, right? Yeah. So this is very simple, no, dear children? Sides of two triangles, sides of two similar triangles are in ratio 4:9. There are two triangles, okay, like this. That is like they are in the ratio 4:9. If it is 4K, this is there in 9K. Correct, no? 4K and 9K. Look at this. Now 4 by 9 is like 4K divided by 9K means KK get cancelled. That is 4 by 9. Now area of these triangles are in ratio. Area means no area of triangle that ABC and area of triangle another triangle that is PQR. Okay, so this is ABC and this is ABC and next triangle is like PQR. So if you take both of these triangles, so it becomes 4k divided by 9k whole square, no? So 4k divided by 9k whole square means 16k square divided by 81k square. So k square get cancelled. That is like not 161. That is 16 is to 16 is to 81. No, this is the correct answer, right? D is the correct option, no? Yeah. Deepthi, who was that? Who was not understanding?
Don't know, sir.
Somebody said, it's very simple question. Okay, there is not much things are there. Very simple question it is. I hope all these questions are very, very clear, dear children. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us see some more questions. I think I don't know whether I have prepared it or not. In the last practice sessions, I must have prepared it. Yeah. Let me see where it is. Triangles. I think I have prepared it somewhere. Another document, handwritten document. I think I have prepared. Maybe it's somewhere else. I will be sending you that as an assignment. Maybe it is there in WhatsApp catalog also. Maybe in WhatsApp catalog also it is available. I'm not sure. Class 10 MCQs, MCQ circles. I think that is not uploaded. Okay, dear children. So now you tell me any doubts for you from the. Are you able to see my screen, dear children? Are you able to see my screen, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, any doubts from the previous things, dear children? Any of the doubts in this MCQs from applications of trigonometry? Have you solved all these questions, dear children? Have you solved all of these? Any doubt? Up to 10 questions I have solved. Any doubt for anyone? Please. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Any doubt? Please tell me. Have you tried or not at least these questions? Yes. Okay. Let me come back there. Yes, dear children. Have you tried those questions or not? All of you. Darshan, Prajwal Melkiri, Deepthi, did you try them, Deepthi? Deepthi went, I guess. Okay. So I hope all the questions from triangles are very, very clear. Srujan, are they clear from the triangles? What kind of questions will be asked?
Yes, sir.
Very simple question. Just to put it in a proper format, once again I'm explaining. You only tell me here all the things, whatever I'm explaining. Okay. So, okay, let me go at the end only. So in triangles, no, whatever questions they are being asked, they will roam around only those concepts. Okay. There won't be anything new. The concepts, what will be roaming around is like a BPT. Okay. Now what they will ask, they will give you one triangle like this, okay, and they will mention this is ABC. Do this question, all of you. This is ABC, and they will mention like this, and they will say this is D and it is E. For example, they have given something like this here. AD is equal to 2 centimeter. AB is equal to 10 centimeter. AE is now what they will see, they will say like AC is equal to 15 centimeter and they will ask you AE equal to question mark. Please do this, all of you. Try to do this question. This is also one of the important questions. Options I won't give, but try to find it out. And they have given a DE is parallel to BC. This condition they have given, that is DE is parallel to BC. This condition is given. DE parallel to BC. Please do this and tell me the answer. Let me give you options also if you want. I was also calculating A, B, C, D. So this is
Yes,
like
sir.
1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. What is the correct option?
3 centimeters.
3 centimeter, no? Yeah. 3
Yes, sir.
centimeters is
3
the correct
centimeters.
option. But if you want, you can try here. What is that? Can I write AD divided by AB? It's like AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC or not?
Sir.
AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. Okay, this is also true. I mean, whenever it is parallel, no, dear children, this is parallel means you can take anything. You can take AD divided by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is one thing. Next thing is you can take AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. Like that you can take, no issue. AD is 2, no? AD is 2 and AB is 10 and AE, they are asking AE only. AE and AC is 15. So AE is equal to, they are asking, AE is equal to 2 by 10 into 15. It becomes 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 to get cancelled and AE is equal to 3 centimeter. Correct? The value of AE is 3 centimeter. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So on BPT, they may roam around here. One thing. Then after that, they will come to Pythagoras theorem. Yes, so everybody knows about Pythagoras theorem, how the questions will be framed about that rhombus and all. Pythagoras theorem, everybody knows since you are lower classes, you are studying this. No need to worry about this. Then after that, if there are two similar triangles, one is this one and this one, this is like ABC and PQR. Okay, so here definitely you are going to find that area of this triangle ABC, whatever it is there, divided by area of triangle PQR are there, no? So that will be equal to AB divided by PQ whole square and also equal to BC by QR whole square. And also this is equal to AC divided by PR whole square. Okay, the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Is this understood, dear children? Everybody knows this, no? This will be asked in applied things, then you should be able to apply this. Clear? Okay. Now let me give you one more hint here. For example, if it is given as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, they have given there is one triangle like this, that is like ABC, and another triangle is like this. It is like this, it is DEF, it is like this, DEF. Okay, now this one is like a 4 centimeter, this one is a 6 centimeter, and this one is 8 centimeter. All right, now if it is like let me take it as a DEF, no? DEF means AC. DEF means AC. Here it is 16 centimeter. Okay, and here it is like 12 centimeter. Now they are asking this. Tell me how much length it will be having. DE they are asking. Length of DE.
Sir, 32.
DF, sorry, DE is 32. Just check.
Yes.
If you say 32, it becomes wrong, I guess. Just check for that. 32 is wrong option, that is for sure. See what they are saying. ABC is similar to DEF, they are saying, no? ABC is similar to DEF means, what should I write? I should be writing AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF is equal to AC by DF, no? Should I be writing like this? Because corresponding side with AB, what is there? DE is there. With BC, what is there? EF is there. With AC, what is there? DF is there. Same things I have written. Now, AB means how much it is there? 4. And DE means I don't know. That's what they're asking. That is equal to BC means how much is there? 6. And EF means how much it is there? EF means 12 is there. AC means how much it is there? 8 is there. And the DF means how much it is there? 16 is there. Look at this. So 6 by 12 means it is 1 by 2. 8 by 16 means it is 1 by 2. Now here also I want it to be 1 by 2 means this DE should be 8 or not? What should be the length of this DE? It should be 8, no? Yes or no, dear children?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why you should be able to understand this properly and you should be taking the correct option. Clear? So 8 is the right option for D. It should be 8. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to look for corresponding things. Now let me give you one more example. Here is one triangle, okay? Here is one triangle. This triangle is like PQR. Okay? And here is another triangle like this. And this triangle is like XYZ. Okay, now this one they have given x centimeter and this one they have told 2x centimeter. Okay, and next they have told like this is y centimeter, this is 3y centimeter, this is z centimeter and this is 3z centimeter. They are asking you to tick the correct one. Whichever is correct one, they are asking you to tick one. Correct one is there, no, just tick it. You have to tick. Now what they are saying, the first option they are saying triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. This is the first option. And second option is like a triangle PRQ. Triangle PRQ is similar to triangle XZY, they are saying. And third one they are saying triangle PQR is similar to triangle XZY, they are saying. Okay. And fourth one they are saying triangle PQR is similar to triangle YZX, they are saying. Which one is correct option? Tell me.
Option C, sir.